Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 5 which is based on group theory. So the question is, prove that the cube roots of the unity form a group under the multiplication. So let's solve this problem. What are the cube roots of unity? It means we have to solve x cube equals to 1. And what is the solution of this? Which is 1 comma omega square. So what is the value of omega? Omega equals to minus 1 plus I under root 3 by 2, and omega square equals to minus 1 minus I under root 3 by 2. I is nothing but our imaginary number. So this is the constant value we have to remember while solving these kinds of problems. So some of the important properties of the omega, which is omega cube equals to 1. This is one property. Our second property is 1 plus omega square, which is equals to 0, and omega into omega square, which is equals to 1, because omega cube equals to 1, so we can expand this as omega into omega square, which is equals to 1. So now with the help of this given terms, we have to define the set where group G equals to 1 omega square. This is the set we are defining here, or we can consider this as a set of group. So we need to prove that G form a group under the multiplication. So what are the group properties here? Which is, to prove group we check 4 properties. First one is closure, associative, identity, and the inverse. It means to prove group we check, first property is closure, second property is associativity, next one is identity, and last one is inverse. So to prove this condition, we have to make the multiplication table. So now we are constructing the multiplication table. Here x, this is 1 omega square, like that, 1 omega and omega square. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into omega is omega, and 1 is to omega square is omega square. Like omega into 1 is omega, omega into omega is omega square, and omega into omega square, which is equals to 1, because omega into omega square, which is equals to 1. And omega square into 1, which is omega square into omega, which is omega cube, which is equals to 1, and omega square into omega square, which is equals to omega square into omega square, which is equals to omega half, because omega square into omega, this is nothing but our 1, so 1 into omega, which is equals to omega. That's why I'm directly writing omega here. So now with the help of this multiplication table, here we are verifying the properties. So first one is closure. It means every product is inside the set. Every product is inside the set. So for example, if omega into omega, which is equals to omega square, and omega into omega square, which is equals to 1, so these all result belongs to the G group. So all result which we are considering here belongs to the G group, which I consider, which is G equals to 1 into omega square. So these all we are considering here belong to the G group. That's why our closure property is satisfied here. Now move to our second property, which is associativity. So in this, multiplication of complex number is associative, means a into b into c, which can be written as a into b into c. This satisfy the associative property. So with the help of this, we can say that our associativity property is satisfied here. Now move to our inverse property. So our next one is inverse. So here we are taking element, and here we are taking inverse of that element. So what is the inverse of 1? Which is 1. Inverse of omega is omega square, and inverse of omega square, which is equals to omega. So we can say that because our omega into omega square equals to 1, so with the help of this expression we can say that our inverse property is exist here. So with the help of multiplication table, all properties satisfy here. So we can say that all group properties are satisfied. G equals to 1 comma omega square. With the help of this, our all four properties is satisfied. So this form a group under multiplication. So like that you have to solve in the examination with these four property along with the proper explanation. If you want these handwritten notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.